labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona 103.5 FM or
Amen. Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ nna
site na nkwado ndị Love Bite Foods and Beverages Limited Nnozi ndị na-alụpụta Love Bite Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwotu Mmadụka Close Umuru Nnozi 081 49 82 82 F1 FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On F1 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates on F1 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. F1 FM breaks the news with actualities. And the link via mixlr.com/GistFM. Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Monday, the 8th day of April 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efanchuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Our mercenaries, Igwe. Abia retirees celebrate a pension payment in church. Igwe Umudioka Confer Chieftaincy title of Ichie Akubudike on well-deserving member of the community. Weather is the hot topic as eclipse spectators stake out their spots in US, Mexico, and Canada. Now, details. Former appointees in Anambra threatening to work against Soludo are mercenaries. Igwe, National Coordinator of Progressive Grand Alliance and Media Warriors Forum, Evangelist Chinedu Igwe, has described some former political appointees under the Obiano administration now threatening to work against Governor Soludo as well-known mercenaries playing their games. Igwe, who reacted to the news of reported tension in Anambra as former political appointees moved to work against Soludo, said genuine lovers of Abga that work for former Governor Obiano can never be part of those making moves to work against Governor Soludo. They are firmly in support of his administration and will persuade him to contest the 2025 election to clinch a well-deserved second-term mandate. Igwe said that the truth is that some of the appointees of former Governor Obiano are now members of APC, PDP, and Labour Party. So the threat of them joining another party is misplaced because many of them are already in opposition parties. They cannot be in opposition parties and expect Governor Soludo to empower them financially to fight him from their party. It is not done, and no right-thinking person will do that. He said the good people of Anambra are happy with Governor Soludo's good work, and they will do everything humanly possible to secure a second-term mandate for him in 2025. Abia retirees celebrate pension payment in church. Members of the concerned Abia pensioners on Sunday held a Thanksgiving service in church to celebrate a payment of backlog of their pensions owed by the previous administration. The Thanksgiving, which was held at Apostolic Church, Nigeria, number 55 Awolowo Street, Umuahia, was led by the chairman of concerned Abia pensioners, John Callow. The purpose of the Thanksgiving, according to the retirees, was to appreciate God and thank many churches that prayed for God's intervention during the years they were not paid their pensions. John Callow, 85, thanked the Abia State Governor, Alex Oti, for fulfilling his campaign promise of defraying the arrears of the pensions owed them by the previous administration in the state, noting that the best place to celebrate the good news was in the church. Receiving the pensioners in the church, the pastor in charge and area superintendent of the Apostolic Church Nigeria, Umuahia area, Apostle Bernard Ubua, commended the pensioners for remembering to give thanks to God. Igwe Umudioka Confer Chieftaincy title of Ichie Akubudike on well-deserving member of the community, based on the antecedents of Chief Jim Martins Nwabeze towards the development of Umudioka community. The Igwe Raphael Chukura Ezodioka, the second of Umudioka in liaison with the Onowu and Igwe in council, conferred the chieftaincy title of Ichie Akubudike I of Umudioka on Chief Jim Martins Nwabeze and Lolo Uche Nwabeze on Saturday, 6th day of April 2024. The colorful event, which attracted the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Dr. Onyekachukwu Ibezim, also attracted the member representing the Njikoka and Nyocha Dunukofia constituency in the Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable George Ibezimako, also the Nobi, who described the Chief Jim Martins Nwabeze, Ichie Akubudike, as someone who must join politics to create more impact in Anambra State and Nigeria. Here is a report. Please take a listen. Umudioka community was agog as the Igwe of Umudioka, His Royal Highness Igwe Raphael Chukura Ezodioka, the second of Umudioka, in liaison with Onowu and Igwe in council, conferred the chieftaincy title of Ichie Akubudike I of Umudioka on Chief Jim Martins Nwabeze and Lolo Uche Nwabeze.
Today is my conferment. This is our heritage. This is our way of life. And we have to keep it. So, it's not surprised that my people have come. Very with me. Because I've been working for my people. And the appreciation every single job is our hands.
A colorful event which attracted people from different walks of life also witnessed the presence of the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Dr. Onyekachukwu Ibezim, as well as the member representing Njikoka and Nyocha Dunukofia constituency at Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable George Ibezimako, also Dinobi, who is also the Deputy Minority Whip, eulogized Chief Akubudike for his contribution towards the development of Umudioka community.
I came to celebrate with one of my constituents who has done so well, who has been recognized and crowned. You can see his palatial place, wonderful place. You can see the cream of the face. That will tell you that Igbo custom is key. Igbo custom is huge. See people, you don't talk about kidnapping here. You don't talk about there is peace in this state. There is peace in Igbo land.
One of the beneficiaries of skill acquisition and empowerment program of Ichie Akubudike, Okonkwo Chukwuma Christopher, explains why Ichie Akubudike deserves the honor Umudioka community bestowed on him.
Chief Akubudike, Ichie Akubudike I, Umudioka. Onye mee ka mụọ ọrụ n'ọsa enweghị ebe anyị na-alụ ọtụtụ ọrịa mmadụ 20 na-eje mụọ ọrụ n'Umudioka. Each village, 10 villages n'Umudioka enweta two persons, nwoke na ofu nwoke ofu nwaanyị, ma ndị mụ tailoring, ma ndị mụ welding, ma ndị mụ nurse, ma ndị mụ bakery, ma ndị mụ event planning. So onye ka anyị bịa sị ka anyị nọnyere ya taa, nyere ya aka jee ozi. Gwakwa na ife ozi anyị emeghị onye na anyị aka nke ọ na-emu ego now, the people in my shop, my so and I am one of the first beneficiaries. I am one of the second beneficiaries.
From Umudioka community, Martin Efanjuku Ekezie reporting. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Weather is the hot topic as eclipse spectators stake out their spots in US, Mexico, and Canada. Eclipse spectators staked out their spots across 3 countries Sunday, fervently, hoping for clear skies despite forecasts calling for clouds along most of the sun vanishing route. North America won't see another coast-to-coast total solar eclipse for 21 years, prompting the weekend's worry and mad rush. Monday's extravaganza stretches from Mexico's Pacific beaches to Canada's rugged Atlantic shores, with 15 US states in between. A total eclipse happens when the moon lines up perfectly between Earth and the sun, blotting out the sunlight. That means a lot over 4 minutes of daytime darkness east of Dallas in Memphis, where locals like Georgian Martinez have the day off. The land surveyor plans to witness history from home with his wife and their 3-year-old daughter, Natty. In Cleveland, the eclipse persuaded women's Final Four fans, Matt and Sheila Power, to stick around an extra day after Sunday's game, but they were debating whether to begin their drive home to Missouri Valley, Iowa, early Monday in search of clearer skies along the eclipse path. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Former appointees in Anambra threatening to work against Soludo and mercenaries, Ubigwe. Abia retirees celebrate a pension payment in church. Igwe Umudioka Confer Chieftaincy title of Ichie Akubudike on well-deserving member of the community. Weather is the hot topic. Eclipse spectators stake out their spots in US, Mexico, and Canada. You just listened to News Update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Efanjuku Ekezie. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebona the FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Our government,
But our street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the root of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Efanjuku, as our number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. As street reports unfolds in your face. On Emas in Ebona, the corner 24/7, 24/7. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonade 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonade 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Shay, one them say no more. Ebe bụ na isi na ị na-agbadata Igbo na Anambra steeti ka ị na-eje nwanne bụ n'egwu jebe na Residency Hotels Leofi na Ogidi nwanne adị na-eli emechi ọnụ ma ọkụ ife dị mma nzo nwanne ife dị mma dị ya nwanne ije ebe ebata na room arụ oju ọnụ ka oyi where you see luxuriously furnished rooms and suites dị mma nwanne ịbanyego na their kitchen nwanne ebe a na-esi ife a na-ewemi aka sie ife ilisie ife ịdị oke ịbanyekwa na their outdoor arena where you can even have all types of events from wedding down to birthday party even na na-eme for a very clean swimming pool of one Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi Ordina, a very serene and secured environment at kilometer 13 Old Onitsha Enugu Express Road. You can also call them for reservation on 081 40 933 512. Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi. If I da connect the one more. Say no more.
Ladies and gentlemen, charity your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride. It's the morning.
Guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check out this book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu, on Amazon.com. All right, check it out. Thank you.